Whoa, we got another package? All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from SARCO Inc. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. SARCO Inc. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Let's have a long box here. So let's see. Okay, so looks like we have some peanuts here. We're making a mess. Okay, let's see what we got here. Some interesting items. All right, so we got manifest. Here we got SARCO Inc. And let's go with the big one, obvious one here, right here. This is an inert M31 rocket. So you see here it's in training blue color. It's all metal on the exterior. I believe this is steel and aluminum components, probably for the fin. And you can see here it does have a little bit of weight. And I believe this will be your typical 22mm spigot attachment. So you can see here, it looks just like an actual rocket projectile, but this is the inert M31 training version. So you can see the size of that as well. I'll set this down right now. Next up, let's take a look at this. Let's see what this is. This is going to need opening as well. It does appear that, let's see what we got here. Yep. Okay. So this is an German WW2, and we actually got two of these here. But it's made in India. It looks really good. India makes very good replicas of older items. And this is a German WW2, the M39 egg grenade inert. You can see it's been painted with the separate fuse mechanism. Looks like a hang ring. And I'm not going to try to mess around with that. Looks like a little bit of storage scuffing there, but all metal. And it's not molded. This is actually assembled from actual cast parts. So, or stamped. This is a copy of a German WW2 M39 egg grenade inert. So we got two of those. Try to make that a little bit neater. And last up, we have a few examples of recognize these. These are V40 Hooch popper grenades. So these are mini grenades, and these have been around for decades, this design. You can see the size of them in comparison to, say, even this egg grenade. But these had concentrated material on the inside and had an interesting radius of effect. And you can carry two of these for every one regular size grenade. So there's a representation of the V40 Hooch poppers. See the markings underneath. Let you read that. So again, 4 of the V40 Hooch popper grenade. And there's nothing on the interior of those, thus making them inert. We also had two, one still in the box, of the German WW2 M39 egg grenade. And then we had started off with the M31 Inert rocket. And these all came from SARCO Inc. Feel free to check them out. A very large variety of items, SARCO Inc. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.